This tutorial will show you how to complete the Linguaskill writing test. You will see instructions about the test. Please read these carefully, then click the arrow in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to continue. Fill in your personal information and then click the arrow in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to continue. When you are ready, click Start in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to begin. There are instructions at the top of the screen. You can hide the instructions and unhide them. There is also a timer. The question is on the left of the screen. Read the question carefully and then type your answer on the right side of the screen. You can see how many words you have written at the bottom of the screen. When you want to start part 2, click the arrow in the bottom right of the screen. Read the instructions and the question for part 2 and then type your answer. You can change between part 1 and part 2 using the arrows at the bottom of the screen. You can change your answers in part 1 and part 2 as much as you want. The buttons at the top of the screen will allow you to cut, copy and paste your work. You can also use the shortcut keys on your keyboard. The timer will flash red when you have 5 minutes left. When you are happy with your answers, click End Test. If you click Cancel, you will return to the test and you can change your answers. Click OK to end the test. When you have finished, close the browser by clicking on the cross in the top right corner. That is the end of the Linguaskill writing tutorial. If you have any questions, please ask your invigilator.